السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. زي ما تعودنا نقول لا إله إلا الله ونصلي على رسول الله عليه أفضل الصلاة والسلام. النهاردة هنبدأ رحلتنا كيبل كار، العربية الكهربائية. وهذا اللي ما انتم شايفين زي ما انتم شايفين العربية الكهربائية طالعة بالمحطة. هندخل المحطة دلوقتي عشان ناخد التذاكر. وزي ما انتم شايفين ده التذاكر، أسعار التذاكر طبعا.
Do you mind if we keep our masks on?
We don't know. No. If you don't know,
No,
don't
no.
if you don't.
I've had both my vaccines. So.
Yeah, so
Yes,
we.
we got the vaccine.
Good. She's done one, hasn't she?
and we've had the COVID as well. So.
Oh no!
We've done a lot. Yeah, but we didn't notice that we'd had it. So wow. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Here we go. Okay. Ooh, I think I should sit in the middle.
I'm sure it's fine wherever you sit.
It did say down there you can get 7 in a pod. I don't think I'd fancy that.
No, it'd be a bit squished, wouldn't it?
هذا طالعين.
Shanty towns.
هذا العربية المقابلة.
Well, that one's collapsed.
Yeah, we came here when we came just to look at the town and squatting. There's a sign there saying beware of rats.
Oh, really?
So we skipped off down the front of the marina.
Nice. Oh, chips.
Can you smell fish?
Yeah, lovely.
Fish and chips.
Can you smell fish?
Yeah.
It smells more like fresh fish.
Yes. احنا طالعين في المطلع الكهرباء وادي الأبالي.
Oh God, there's some lovely old buildings here though.
Isn't there?
They're obviously from when did you say that they were
من
rediscovered
أعلى
or whatever?
Yeah.
البيوت من أعلى.
Need to get one of those programs in from home, you know, the let's find a dilapidated building and do it up.
Oh, yes.
طبعا
That must be
أول
in
مرة
school.
نجربه.
Oh.
المنظر من تحت.
Because I haven't seen this school yet.
Yes, I made so
عربيات من
football
تحت.
pitches and
Yeah.
وادي المباني.
They're football bit.
I wonder if that
ده
might
في
be the
مدينة.
Cristiano Ronaldo Stadium or something.
No, it's over.
That's
there.
where is it?
الأسلاك الكهربائية.
I don't know why they have it, but it's fine.
Look at that.
Get all the way up there.
Wow.
seems to go faster on the way back.
Might be gravity, mightn't it?
Yeah.
They might actually just switch the power off and let you go.
Yeah, free fall.
Why are there so many abandoned buildings here? I mean, look at some of them.
Look at bananas. We went past them, didn't we?
Bananas.
Do you know this is very
Oh, no.
tall, isn't it?
الطريق السريع طبعا تحت. شوف المنظر كيوت.
But all the banana trees in there.
I think all the spiders in there as well.
And all those hitching and riding luggage.
Yeah, we'll pass on that one then.
That's a very yellowy, orangey house.
The way the laundry's
blimey,
just sort of
isn't it?
hung down there.
What's wrong with that? I don't know what the houses are. The roof is
العربيات الثانية نازلة في الوش.
There's quite a few like that though, isn't there?
Nice pool, nice house.
Yeah, it seems a bit wrong to have a house like that and then something like that underneath it.
Yes.
Nice view from behind us as well. They've got a president.
Well, Well, yeah, but she called him King something, didn't she?
She did.
She said the president lives there, where the flag is King.
King somebody.
Yeah.
في العلو
Oh, that old
افكت
bus.
بدنا نطلع في العلو اعلى.
I don't think it is actually a bus. I think it's a
Picture.
painting, isn't
It
it?
is. But it looks like one.
طالعين في
Yeah, it
الاعلى
is painting,
اعلى.
yes.
You're talking to darling.
No, I guess
Commentating into your. Sorry.
video.
Look, this way, Mummy.
Oh, wow. Let's zoom back in.
زي ما انتم شايفين البيوت من اعلى ازاي
Where
صغيرة.
they build on every available bit of land. It's amazing,
Absolutely,
isn't it?
yeah. I do like the way that they're consistent, like with all the orangey terracotta roofs.
Yeah, that's what you were saying.
Yes. Something to do with the sun, isn't it?
طالعين
is
في
it?
What was this weather now?
Well, it,
المهم.
no, it reflects a
المنطقة
certain
الأعلى اللي
amount
في
of it or
الجبل دي
something.
Oh.
ده
I'm
اللي
not
طالعين
100%
لها.
sure. I'm surprised more haven't got solar panels.
Mm.
Because you've got the odd ones with solar panels, but not all of
Maybe
them.
it's expensive. Then again, I would have thought electricity would be expensive as well. So
Yeah. That's it, isn't it?
you can see the old rebels. I mean, there's one over there. It's got the terracotta roof, but it's painted this out grey instead of white.
Yeah, there's another one down there.
البيوت من
grey
تحت بيوت تحتهم على
There are
طول.
two solar panels. This one here. But look at the mess of that. Oh my god.
It's hard to imagine that people, oh look, people actually live like this, isn't it?
Some of most of these houses here are amazing. And the apartments.
Oh, look, banana plantation.
And the Luke
There's a
Spider.
banana farmer. Do you remember what they said when we saw the bananas in St Lucia?
Plus 3. No.
Well, you remember a lot of houses.
تحس اللي راكب طيارة طبعا.
My ears go from here. So that was open.
مطبات الهواء. Look at these
Weird
houses.
house. Like one from the stairs going down to it.
Yeah. Folks, that's be good on your car, wouldn't they?
That's the scary part. See?
Look. All the orange.
Can you see this
Amazing.
window?
Oh yes.
Look at the side of the cliff there. Right on the cliff face. The houses are built.
Oh, surely they have a hurricane there that's going to fall. Right?
Oh, there's another cable car over there, going a different direction.
Yeah, there's 2.
Oh,
I didn't realise that.
we've got competing cable cars here then.
Ah. Don't know where that one goes from.
Then goes
Oh,
from here.
from up, no, it goes from up there to the other side.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see.
Wow.
فين العلو.
Lippity-doo-dah.
Wow, yes, some of those on there, look, they are literally
شايفين الكوبري.
balanced right on the
Yes,
edge there.
precarious, aren't
oh
they?
my goodness.
العلو الكوبري
Does
زي
it make you
ما
wonder
احنا.
if they have all the appropriate surveys and
شوف
everything?
البيوت المبنية في
Probably
أعلى
not.
الجبال.
Suddenly one day you get home from work and your house is not there anymore.
Well, that is a very real possibility, I'd imagine,
Mm.
especially that last one right on the edge,
Yeah.
the green one.
Yeah.
I mean, that is just
هذا من أعلى.
absolutely, yeah. You look out of your window and you're looking over the edge, literally. You know, there's nothing there.
I mean, you couldn't jump in your
Not for the
house.
faint-hearted, is it?
No.
Well, you definitely wouldn't want to jump if there was a fire in the front, would you?
Oh, okay.
الشارع.
I love the way they utilise the roof space so that you can have tables up there.
Yeah.
Oh, goat.
طبعا منظر مخيف.
Oh,
Heavens as well.
Where did you go?
لما تتهز
It's
مرعب.
like it's tied up when they were in the movies. They picture the dinosaurs.
Well, hopefully there aren't any dinosaurs, darling.
ونفق
You're
اهو.
thinking of
نفق
Jurassic
العربية
Park.
تحتينا.
Yes. Dream. Oh, it's calm. Look. Imagine this. No, not a good imagine dripping.
Just so much to see, isn't there?
Good car behind us as well.
Don't worry, I don't think it'll catch us.
No, there is dense distance between us.
Doesn't look like a very small island to me.
Well, it doesn't from here, does it?
How many houses?
There isn't a million people on this island. I looked up the population the other day and it's not a million.
Really?
No. Because I thought, God, it must be really, really crowded, but no. Certainly looks as though it is from here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You can drive around it in an hour. 7 minutes said.
Wow.
So you're only talking sort of Tenerife sized. You can drive around Tenerife in an hour, I think. I looked up the price of a room in that Reed's Palace Hotel while we were on the bus.
Oh, really?
ابتدينا نطلع في أعلى أعلى
£440 a night.
دلوقتي.
Well, there was that really massive one that made had all the leaves coming out of it and everything.
Oh, the,
Remember what it's called? You were watching that.
yes. He did say he came from the Emirates or something, didn't he? And made a fortune.
What, Prince Henry?
Prince Henry.
I don't know what his name was.
It was something like that. I know it wasn't Harry, probably Henry.
I expect that's what we'll be doing next. You'll find Meghan and Harry's colossal Madeira palace here.
Yeah.
They'll be advertising it on Instagram.
زي ما انتم شايفين المباني ازاي تحتينا.
£400 a night.
I know. Not as best for two sharing.
برضك ما زلنا
I would just pay a little bit more than that
نطلع
for
في
our
ارتفاع الجبل.
all inclusive.
I didn't realise there was quite so much to do though actually in Madeira. I don't know, this is the first time we've ever been,
Yeah,
and I
that's
just
true.
accepted where we are as that's what Madeira's like, but you know, all the cafes and bars and everything, it's quite busy and
Yes, we're going to get the bus in, aren't we, to go to the market.
yeah. Be
There's a
careful about that
courtesy
bit where
bus.
it drops you, because that's where it drops you and that's where the rats are.
Oh right, okay.
So, yeah.
Wear closed-in shoes. I haven't got any closed-in shoes, oh dear.
What do you wear here?
My sandals.
Oh.
They've got wet feet, didn't I, from the hotel to the airport. It was raining, 3 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, dear.
Never mind.
Well, mind you, we didn't see any rats. We did go into that little area. We didn't see any.
ما
Are you
زلنا
doing
في
any other
الارتفاع.
tours?
Yeah, we're going on Thursday on the whale and dolphin.
Oh, we're doing that as well on Thursday. Yeah, I booked that before we left.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there was a 10% off us. I thought, oh,
المباني.
And then
just